Let's see the cricket application. So I'll just open another form. I won't style, I won't do anything. I'll just write a normal form. Oh, screen share. So I'll just write a normal form. I hope you guys understood the concept of post and get. That is very important. You'll be getting these videos by tomorrow, most probably tomorrow evening. So any question, any lagging, anybody who could not hear this or anybody who missed a part, you can watch it there. Do the validations. I won't be doing validations. If you want, do styling. I don't it's better if you guys do styling and submit them back. Okay, is there any problem in submitting back? Do you want any extra features so that you can submit these files easily? Because I don't want to submit these files in Tutoslive because I don't assume you guys are hackers. But if I were you, I can hack a complete website using file, a small text file. I can completely access a hack a website because I don't have that much of security in my website as of now. So I won't let you guys upload files there. That's the only reason I'll tell you guys to Gmail it, because Gmail has that system wherein it can scan files. If something there's a virus in the file, it will just push it to spam. I can insert virus into your systems using form uploading. Okay, it's called SQL injection. SQL injection. So you can search this also. We can completely hack a website's database using SQL injection. Alright, so I don't know if there is a problem. If you submit the files back, you can learn more. If you don't submit the files back, I'm not losing anything over there. It's you who are losing. So you decide, you want to be on the loser side or you want to be on the winner side. Okay, to be more fair with that, I say practice. That's it. I don't mean to offend you. I don't mean to offend anybody of you. Just get motivated to do that. Fine, so let's see. Skinny shade, fine, fantastic. So form here, input type equal to text, name equal to. So now name is very important. Name is player. I'm giving an ID to. ID is player. Then I'll give a placeholder equal to enter player name. Okay, here I'll use a br is used to I'll use a class. I seriously don't like when something is not styled, so I'll class as input text. Okay, I'll use a class, so I'll move this br here. I'll just copy this. So what are the fields we got there? We have player name. Okay, we have his status, we have runs, we have balls, and that's it, nothing else, right? So this is the information. Then here input type equal to submit, name equal to submit, value equal to uh, update score. I don't know why it's typing 2 times. Did I press something? I seriously don't know. What happened here? I don't know. Let me just save this. Okay, what I do is this cricket score input.php this time. Okay, we'll use the same file. What did I press here? I don't know what did I press here. Maybe this. Let me close this. Okay, it's just here. Alright, input class equal to, oh, it's right here. So we have just three status runs. Okay, we have one more. Oh, it's right here. Alright, do we have BR over there? Yes. So yeah, input type equal to submit, name equal to submit, value equal to update score, and ID. We have to give an ID to. ID is submit. Whatever. Whenever I use name, I'll give the same thing to ID too. So that's my style of coding, because I feel it very comfortable when I give name and ID the same, because IDs are unique as well as names are unique. Okay, so this class is input submit, and let's change this now. So this is our what you call status. Okay, status can be a radio button also, like just status is nothing but out or not out. Okay, out or not out. So status can be a radio button. I don't know if anybody is interested out there. Just do a radio button. So this is runs code, and this is balls. So this is balls fist. Alright, let's see how does our form look like. So localhost, again Tutoslive underscore PHP, and yeah, this is it. Yeah, our form looks cool, just we have to style it. So I'll just style it real quick. So I'm not putting anything over there, so I'll give a title. So title cricket score form Tutoslive. Alright, then here style, I'm doing nothing over there, just observe it. I have given a form. So here input text, I'll say padding, I'll give a padding of 5 pixel, and I'll give a margin of 5 pixel, and that is much, I guess. Then coming to the input submit. Oh, I gave wrong name there, no problem. Instead of okay, let's give the correct name only. What should be input submit? Okay, background, I always give random background colors. So 675432, I don't know what color it is, seriously. Border solid 1 pixel and the same color, hash 5432, and I'll give a padding to this also. It looks good. Padding of, let's say, 4 pixel or 3 pixel is fine. So let's see. Good. So let us move that a bit here. Class equal to score form. Okay, I'm giving a class to form. Form should have a name. So what I do is score form. This is how I name. Okay, all caps. I mean, sorry, camel caps. So the ID will be same. Score form. So use the registration jQuery validation registration file as a inspiration and do these validations. It will be pretty simple. Copy paste and do your manipulations. That's it. So let us use a method post here, or I can use get also, but I'll use post. No problem in using that. And action equal to now, to which form I have to submit. I have to submit it to cricket underscore score dot php. Okay, this is where I have the form, right? Sorry, I have the table. I have the table at here. So I will take the values in this only. Okay, let's see. So that is it, and score form, we'll style score form also. So dot score form margin 0 pixel auto, this will push into the middle when I say margin 0 pixel auto, and when I give a width of, let's say, 60%. Okay, this will push into the middle. See, it has come here. Okay, this color looks ugly. I don't know. I don't want that color. So it's not 6 7. Let's say 2 7. It looks more ugly, I guess. Let's see. Better. Width 60%, and let's give a width to this guy also. Width, let's say 80%. Oh, 80% is way much. So 60%. This is also too much. Let's give 50%. No, 40%. This is better. And let that be in the middle. So how do we get that in the middle? Fine, that's okay. Our duty is not to do that. So now let's see if it is going to our this update score.php or not, or sorry, cricket score.php or not. Let's click submit. See, yeah, it's absolutely coming over there. So here we will give a small link here saying, update score. Okay, so in this file, in this here at the top, even before the table starts, okay, here I'll give a link href equal to, okay, cricket score underscore input dot php. Okay, links. I don't know how many of you guys are comfortable with this. Links are nothing but we have discussed very early in the course. It's pretty much easy. Just link will take you to that particular file. That is it. Nothing more than that. So here I'll say update score. Okay, here I'll give a class. I can give a class here. Class equal to btn. This is Twitter Bootstrap again. Primary. Let's see. I refresh this. No problem. You see here, update score it says. So whenever I click here, it comes here. Alright, fine. Any questions here? Any questions in the form? Tell me, ask me, shoot me any question. If you understand zero also, ask me a question. I'm ready to explain it from the start. Tell me now. You guys here sleeping? Should I ask question? Hello? Okay, I'll ask a poll. I'll wake up you guys. Okay, now I'll post a question. If you answer this, I assume you guys know this. Okay. I close screen share. You guys won't be seeing the screen. Okay. I'm posting a question, just be with me. I'm typing. How do I? Okay, great. But don't use it. Don't use it. It's illegal. Design a form. If you get caught, you will go to jail. Oh, so yeah. I hope you will answer this. It's pretty simple. I don't know how you understand this question. Oh, really? Okay, I'll tell you how to take care of those things. You know what you are supposed to do? Every time, remember, okay, every time you have to sign out. If you do not sign out, anybody can hack your email. I'll show you guys. When we talk about sessions, remind me if I forget. So if you remind me, I can show you guys how to do that. Okay, I don't know how complex or how easy is this question. I just put up some random question. I know it's a very stupid question, but I want you guys to answer it. We're getting late, man. It's already 11:07. One great, fantastic. Why not two? Why not two? See, these are all. If you watch these game shows on TV, they always give these kind of questions. We feel like everybody knows the answer. Do you know what is the trick in that? Have you ever observed these game shows in TV where they ask very simple, oh, two-step verification? No problem. It's not like that. All you gotta do is like nobody will know your password. Trust me, it's impossible to know password unless until Google release it. It's impossible to get password. But anybody can log in into your account even without your email or without your password. That is called session hijacking. That's how people hack. Okay. That's how people hack. It's not about password. People say, your password is compromised. I don't know. Uh, in my in my website in my website I hash. It's called hashing. Okay, we have to discuss that also in PHP. Hashing, I'll tell you. Hashing is nothing but encrypting the password. Nobody can decrypt it. So when you log in into stupid websites, sometimes people ask to log in. Don't give your Gmail passwords there. Most of the people has this habit. For stupid websites, always keep a safe password, like some password which you won't use for your Facebook or Gmail, because what happens, nobody will follow these standards, like encrypt password. Since I know how to encrypt password and I know it's the best practice, I do it. But most of the websites I've seen a guy who does business with Malaysian clients. I asked him, man, I can see all the passwords. Oh yeah, it is how do I hide it? See, there are people like such. So if you register with his website, say you put taufik@gmail.com and your Gmail password, people have this habit. So he will see it. He will easily see it. That's one way of hacking your personal accounts. So never ever, this is what I do for all the stupid. Sometimes this website will say register to access this file, register to, even Tutoslive does. That doesn't mean we are looking at your passwords, but the reason why I restricted is that I take a lot of time in preparing those files. So that's the reason I ask you to guys to log in and register. Yeah, go ahead. I'm here to answer. Everybody will know, learn questions, and everybody will learn answers. No problem, Siraj. Shoot your question. No? Okay. I'll answer your question. I fill in data on web page when we enter ID and password into that page. They can see our password. I just show you. See, it's it's pretty simple to know your password. That's the reason I'm asking. I'm telling you guys. No, if the website is popular, okay, they won't do such kind of things. But I will show you guys. Don't worry. Come to the class. I'll show you what people really can do crazy things with your passwords, or how safe we are on internet. It's really, we are not really safe on internet. Internet is an evil. So I don't know, this is what I feel, but still I teach people to build websites, but build it in a better way. That's what my thing is. Like, if you do something, do it perfectly. Why should you give people access to your website to hack? That's what I don't like. Fine, let's go to our program here. So yeah, it's absolutely working right now. Oops, what is this? Okay. So now my task is, we already have this, what, our cricket score.php, right? So I will add just one more player here. Where? Here. Okay, tr. I'll open a tr, and here I'll just copy what, copy this. Okay, I'll just copy this, paste it here. Okay, this should be when the form is submitted, right? This should not appear before the form is submitted. Okay, so how do I check if the form is submitted? If, come on guys, how do I check if the form is submitted? How do I check if a form is submitted? How do I check if a form is submitted? No answers? Is set. Fantastic, Rajesh. You're great, man. Seriously, I like it. You're following the class. Thank you. $_post. We use method post, right? $_post is set. Is set of $_post of, I can use any player. I'll use player. If this is there, then I'll replace player with post underscore post underscore post underscore post underscore post underscore post. Okay, player status runs balls. Do we have the same thing, same names here? This is nothing but the names, whatever you see here. Whenever we print a form here, these are nothing but the names of the forms. These are names of the forms. Whatever the name we give in the form, this name, name, this is nothing but the key over there. This gets converts to key. That's why name is very important. If I do not give a name, then the value is lost. We don't have an access to the value. Okay, so now let's see. We'll come back here. Okay, what I do, I'll go to cricket. Okay, let's submit. First let's just submit without any validation, anything. So I submitted. Okay, on line 69, error, line 69 here. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, I figured it out. So we'll just do this. Now you see, since nothing is submitted. Oh, it's submitted, but what happened? Okay, let's see. dollar underscore post of player only, right? The name player, status runs. What is the action? Post. Great. Let's see. So let's update score. Now our player is Ankush. Ankush is not out. Okay, Ankush scored. How much is your score, Ankush? Let's say 36 in 6 balls. Okay, you're rushing. Let's say you hit 6 sixes, and let's update and let's see. Yeah, you see here. Let me just minimize this. You see, it has come here. Ankush not out. 36 by 12. So let's see what's the problem of this particular cell. Okay, there is some mistake here. Let's see, let's rectify that mistake. TR. Okay, I open this TR simply. I need to close it and I have to put a TR here. Okay, now this works. You see that, Ankush? What's your strike rate? 600. You scored 36. I'm not updating this. Okay, I can do that too, but I won't do it. Okay, now let's see. Let's do one more score. Now this time it is Taufik. Taufik is out. Let's say. Okay, no offense, man. I'll give you better strike rate. Okay, you hit 36 in 5 balls. It's a miracle, let's say. Okay, let's update score. Now see, it's dynamically. Now don't ask me what happened to Ankush score. Ankush score is gone because we did not save it in a database. Browser data will be gone when we refresh. Okay, it will only take the latest data. The previous data is gone, only the latest data is stored in $_post variable. So this is it. Now it's dynamic. This is how we do updations. This is how we catch values in a server side. Now I'll update again, update score. Let's say Rajesh is not out, and Rajesh scored, let's say he just came scored 1 of 1 ball. So let's say if his strike rate is 100. Yeah, his strike rate is 100. But why is this 12? Why is that 12? Okay, this is underscore post. Nobody is telling me. Come on. Okay, Rajesh strike rate is 100, but I don't know. Okay, Rajesh, let's see again. The browser did not like your score, so I'll say 4 of 1 ball. You see, 4 of 1 ball, strike rate is 400. I can update this also, but I won't update. We'll see this later. Okay, so that is it, guys. Any questions? This is how update. Every detail. I'll walk through every detail of this code. Okay, now what I have done, I've taken yesterday's code. I did not do anything crazy over there. I've taken yesterday's code. Okay, I've taken yesterday's code. Now whenever I submit only, okay, this should be checked. Always remember, this should be checked. If you don't check this, it will throw an error. It will throw a nasty error, which is not good. So always remember, you have to check if you are submitting. So what we are doing, I have given an action. The action is nothing but our cricket score.php, and the method is post. So whenever I submit, it goes to this file. So now I submitted, it went here. Okay, it went here, and I'm checking if it is really submitted. If it is really submitted, then what you have to do, you have to print it. Print everything here, just like yesterday's code. That's the reason first I have shown you guys how to write using arrays first. Okay, if you follow yesterday's class and today's class, then you are done now. You know how much of PHP you know now. Okay, I'll put down let's weigh the codes we just finished. So I'll stop the screen share here, and these files will be available as of now only. Go to the past classes, today's class, click on it, you will find the notes, download it, modify it. I need validations. I don't know how you guys do validations. Even if you make mistakes, do not worry. You can only learn by mistakes, you cannot learn by perfection. Anybody can do perfect code, but very few people make mistakes, trust me. Only with mistakes only you can learn it forever. Seriously, I have done so many mistakes while I was learning jQuery validations, when I was learning it for the first time. Eventually, every mistake taught me a lesson, and I remember now, okay, I should not make this mistake to run it good. Now, if I did not make a mistake, let's assume I somehow it went really well. Now, tomorrow, if I had to debug it, I wouldn't have done. I have to, learn it from the first. So, always remember, mistakes are the stepping stones to learn. Okay, so yeah, we have done. Now you guys can write a login form, registration form, contact us form. You guys can do this much of stuff from today's class and yesterday's class. Okay, now as an assignment, I'll give you guys assignment. Forget this cricket application, yeah, forget about it. Do this fresh assignment. What